टू इंस्पायरिंग रूट्स। मेरा नाम है नीता और इस वीडियो में हम देखने जा रहे हैं व्हाट इज़ बेस्ट वे टू एक्सचेंज योर मनी वाइल ट्रैवलिंग इंटरनेशनली। तो आप भी इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप प्लान कर रहे हो क्या? देन फर्स्ट एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग टू चेक ऑन योर मनी because Indian currency is not acceptable when you are traveling internationally, and then the things come to your mind how to exchange my money, whether to go to bank, exchange abroad, exchange at airport counter or go digitally. तो देखते हैं each method and what is best way you can exchange your money while traveling internationally. So there are 5 main ways you can exchange your money while traveling internationally. First is that you can exchange your money at airport counters. Second, you can exchange at Indian bank before your departure. Third thing, go to authorized money changers in your area and exchange your money. Fourth thing, withdraw money abroad by using ATMs. Fifth thing is that you can carry Forex Card or international credits and debit card. So let's see what is best method who can save your money better. So देखते हैं फर्स्ट मेथड के बारे में, एयरपोर्ट एक्सचेंज काउंटर्स that is widely available when you fly. At your airport you can find many airport exchange counters, but it will always come up with poor exchange rate and high commissions. So I will recommend try to avoid this method unless you are into emergencies. सेकंड मेथड ये है कि आप बैंक में जाकर करेंसी एक्सचेंज कर सकते हो। उसके लिए आपको आपका पासपोर्ट, वीज़ा, एयर टिकट लेकर जाना पड़ेगा। इन बैंक यू हैव टू फिल फॉर्म A2। तो आपको $3000 तक के करेंसी नोट मिलते हैं और बाकी का मनी आप फॉरेक्स कार्ड में लोड करके लेके जा सकते हैं। So that is second method, but little bit time consuming. You can think as per your convenience. Third method is authorized money exchanger. If you are living in cities, you can find money exchanger office in your area. Also, you can book online and they will deliver your exchange money at your doorstep. So they will offer basically high exchange rate than banks. Fourth method is withdrawing cash from international ATMs abroad, but in that case you need to enable your credit and debit card for international transactions. In that case you may charge with bank fee, also ATM fee abroad. So before using your credit and debit card for international transaction, always try to check the fee with your bank. In this method you will get real currency exchange rate. So this is also the best method you can use. Fifth method is carrying your Forex card. Get your Forex card from your banks as well Forex provider. This is best option when you are traveling internationally. This is safer than cash, great for your budgeting, as well it has lock-in rate. So always try to check the best deals from all the forex providers in market and you can choose best forex card for you. So ये थे best method you can exchange your money while traveling internet. So let's discuss about which method we use and got best money exchange rate for our money. First thing is that we visited authorized money exchanger near to our house in Bangalore. We carry USD dollars from there to Sri Lanka. So when we inquire about money exchange rate at airport counters, they offer 292 rupees for $1. Then in Sri Lanka, we got 296 rupees for $1. So that is best deal, right? So apart from this, carrying USD dollar and exchanging directly to that respective country, we use our international debit card which has no charges. For more such informative travel content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Inspiring Roots. Thank you.